Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to hide the clock in your Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. Now here at the settings window, you just have to proceed at the left pane or the left side of that where you can see a list of the option, and that includes the system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, and personalization and more. And since we're dealing with the hiding of our clock, then we need to proceed with time and language, which is next to accounts in my case. So from here, the time and language, please navigate to date and time, and under the date and time, you would be able to see a list of the option where here you need to locate for this option called show time and date in the system tray. So if you turn this off, it will hide you the date and time information on the taskbar. So simply turn it off, okay? And the moment you do that, there you go. You have just successfully hide the clock in your Windows 11 taskbar. So from that on, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.